Hi Wally, this is Michela with Small Street Marketing. Thanks so much for taking my call yesterday. As mentioned, I have just a quick 5-minute video showcasing how to get more leads from your website, as well as just go over your overall online presence and kind of have a discussion about that too. So to start, I do have a background in digital marketing, and I can tell you that there are 3 major aspects that Google looks for when ranking websites along the Google platform. Number 1, and probably most importantly, is going to be content. Content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. I do show that you have a little and you have some tags here with Learn More, but Google really loves content on your home page. Let me give you an example. So let's look at Wikipedia. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia is always the #1 search option to show up. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google takes a sweep of the internet and finds different websites that have good quality content and naturally starts moving them up the ranks. Let's look at a competition in your area. This is Lone Star Carpet Cleaning, and I can see that they have some content. So what I would recommend is probably about 1,500 words of content on your homepage just to beat your competition in content alone. I'm going to take you here to this Ahrefs page. This just shows me a basic overview of how you're currently doing on the internet right now. And as you can see, only 1 person a month is typically clicking on your website. And there's a few reasons why for that. Number 1 is probably keywords. This shows us your keywords that you're currently ranking for and the position that you're getting found for. So carpet cleaning, Waxahachie, Texas is a good keyword. 70 people look at that every month. You're in position 12, so you're already on page 2. What we know is that most people don't dig farther than page 1 to find what they're looking for. So getting ranked higher for that is important. How do we do that? By putting those keywords into the text on your web pages. On every additional web service page, we like to see about 750 words of text per page, because for every keyword we rank you for, it has to be surrounded by enough text for Google to consider it valuable. So getting good quality keywords in the text on your pages are going to help you get seen for more keywords and start ranking on page 1. Next, when we look at referring domains and backlinks, backlinks are anywhere that your website link is put on a separate website linking back to yours. The more you get, the higher this DR number goes. This DR and UR number, which you're not seeing, is probably why you're not showing up on a lot of results either. So to get your DR to go up, you need good quality backlinks. So Angie's List, HomeAdvisor.com, things that have a lot of influence that will definitely direct traffic to your website. That's going to cause this DR number to go up. Now, why is that important? Google likes this UR and DR number to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. That shows a little bit of stability within the rankings and helps you get seen by more people. Lastly, we're going to look at citations, and a citation is anywhere on this GMB that your business name, address, and phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. So as you can see, these top 3 competitors are going to get the most business just from being visible. Most people who do a web search don't like to continue to search beyond their first page. They like to know who's the best, who's rated the highest, and those typically get their most business. So how do we get to the top of this? By getting a lot of citations, that's going to move you up the GMB. I do have the ability to see how many your competition has to know how many you would need to beat them, just to give you reference. If you'd like that information, we can definitely talk further about that. So getting to the top of this is going to drive this UR number up, which again, you don't have one right now, and get you seen by more people. Creating a 1-to-1 ratio between these two is going to create a lot of stability. I wanted to show you your competition as well, to show you that they're not very stable right now as the #1 position on Google. So they only have an 8 and a 0, which again is not stable at all in regards to Google's eyes and what they look for. They obviously don't have a lot of referring domains, and they're not getting a ton of traffic, although they are getting more than you, but they're also not ranking for a lot of keywords. So again, getting good quality content on your homepage, about 1,500 words with good quality keywords, that will rank you on several search platforms, as well as getting about 750 words per additional page, also having good keywords in there to help you get found in multiple search platforms. Getting a bunch of quality referring domains, getting a lot of influence pushed to your site, causing this DR number to go up, as well as getting a lot of citations, moving yourself up to a top 3 position on the GMB, securing in-your-face leads from all your different competitors. Also driving this UR number up, getting these as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. Well, Wally, I hope this was good information for you. If you don't mind, send me a quick email letting me know your thoughts about this video, or if you have any questions, I'd love to talk further with you about this, but I will talk to you soon. Have a good day.